Namo Buddhaya. Vandami Sangha Maharatna. Namo Buddhaya. Kusrahe. Yeah, very happy to meet all of you today. Today the topic is the importance of Buddhist values and culture in personality development and career. Before I go into the explanation, I want to give one story from Pitaka. The story is very long, but I keep it short. In Lord Buddha time, there is 4 female yogini, female ascetic that is very, very clever. They are very, very clever. They master more than 1,000 topic of debate. They are not bhikshuni, like Brahmin, are non-Buddhist. So at that time in India, many ascetic debate each other to show who is more clever. So these 4 sisters, they go from city to city, challenging monk and ascetic for debate. Usually the rival will sit in the middle and they will sit in 4 directions attacking the rival. They'll shoot him with 1,000 and 1,000 of questions to make him confused from 4 directions. In this way, they defeat all of the ascetic outside Buddha Sasana in India. No one can defeat them and they become very prideful. And then usually when they visit a city, they will make a mound from like using soil and put a jambu branch on the soil. And then if the opponent want to challenge them, they break the jambu branch. Then one day Bante Mahasariputta, Bante Sariputta see that mound and the jambu branch. And Bante Sariputta asked a boy to remove the branch because monk cannot break. No? So Bante Sariputta want to challenge them, and Bante Sariputta sit in the middle. They sit in 4 directions. And they try to use their own strategy to attack Bante Sariputta with 1,000 and 1,000 of questions. Even people that master 3 Veda cannot answer them. But Bante Sariputta answer all of their questions like child play. For the first time, their ammunition finished. They have no more question. And then now Bante Sariputta say to them, now you already asked me so many questions. I will only ask you one question. And Bante Sariputta lift 1 finger. Ekang nama king. What is that one thing? The Pali is Ekang nama king. What is that one thing? And they cannot answer. So they bow down to Bante Sariputta. They become bhikshuni and become arahan. Fortunately, we are Buddhists. So Bante Sariputta tell us the answer. So now you can defeat all outside ascetic. Even if now I ask you, you also impossible to answer this. Because only Sama Sambuddha can answer this question. Ekang nama king. What is that one thing? What is the meaning of this question even? What is that one most important thing? I can understand, huh? What is the most crucial, most important thing? Can see they master 1,000 of topic, but they forget that one thing. And why I bring this story today? Because us as forest monk, life in forest surrounded by tree, monkey, animal is very different from city. Live surrounded by plant and animal is very peaceful. Zero drama. But when in the city, so many people, even one people have 1,000 drama inside them. That's why when we meet many people, more drama. Because of that, people in city especially, they have million, billion of things going on in their mind. They forget that most important one thing. So please remember the answer of this question. But when first time I learned the answer of this question, I get confused. Why so simple? Why so basic? Nothing super. But I need to learn like 10 years, 20 years to understand, why that is the answer. Ekang nama king, what is that one thing? Let us do Anjali together. Sabbe satta ahara thitika. Sabbe satta ahara titika. Sabbe satta ahara titika. Sadhu, sadhu. Sabbe satta, you even understand, all beings. Ahara titika, ahara, food. Titika, supported. So all beings exist, supported by food. But you need to understand, only Sama Sambuddha, using his sarvajna to check entire universe, to find out what is that one most important thing, and Lord Buddha come into that conclusion. I have learned from more than 150 guru, and all that learning bring me to this conclusion also. So many people come to me and say, I cannot concentrate when I learn. So the topic today, personality development and career. So it's not a new thing. In Tripitaka, we know what is called as Vadana. Vadana means growing. Vadana means development. So about personal development is also the main topic of Dhamma. But now let us ask a good question. What is the purpose of personal development? What is the purpose of career? In short, because you don't want to suffer, you want to be happy. Not for money, not for passion, not for anything else. Can understand, huh? We need to keep everything simple, so it's not confusing. Actually, usually if I give Dhamma Desana, it can go for 7 hours, 8 hours. Because I am perfectionist. Knowledge is my art. So when I give knowledge, I want to draw a beautiful picture in your mind. But because I only have one mouth, I need 7 hours, 8 hours to explain. But because the time very short, so I only give you the main point. But please, don't be satisfied with this. So it's good if we can have future opportunity to talk in more detail. I can guarantee you, if you just listen to the talk today, give you 2 simple solutions, it will be enough to satisfy your entire life. So now, in order to be happy, we need to take care of our brain. In order to develop yourself, in order to excel in study, in career, you need to be clever. In order to be clever, you need to take care of your brain. So need to understand, nowadays many people can step out the problem. They can say now young generation, the attention span is very short. And then scrolling, addiction to gadget. And how many young generation very lazy from morning to night, sleeping, lying down on the bed, scrolling. But you cannot solve this problem by scolding. The source of the problem is the brain problem. What causes nowadays young generation experience many difficulty in learning and study? Brain problem. It's not your child problem. It's not only about your child is lazy. The brain have problem. And what causes the brain problem? 2 things, poison and lack of nutrition. So when talking about personality development and career, many people will talk about strategy. But if we want to follow Buddha Dharma, then we need to start with ahar, with food. So no need to talk about very high level Dhamma first. Now if you want to change your life, you need to take care of the body first. Because nama rupa anyamanya, the mind and body supporting each other. Usually I will explain to the student that come to me and ask question. If you have Ferrari, Lamborghini, BMW, Mercedes, and you put in cooking oil, can they run? And then you will start to say the Ferrari, the Lamborghini is bad quality machine. That is what most people doing to their children. So no need scolding. You need to put proper food. So if you want to be clever, first remove poison. Coloring agent, preservative, artificial sweetener, remove from the food. So need to remove poison from food, from water, from air, from radiation. You can do your own research about microplastic. Now they found out the microplastic, they will stay in the brain, and in adult brain nowadays, the amount of microplastic enough to make one plastic spoon. You can imagine the blood vessel in brain is very subtle. Get stuck by cholesterol is already very dangerous. Microplastic is more solid than cholesterol. So, if your children cannot study properly, it's more of biological problem, not mental problem. That's why if you learn Dhamma, you learn Buddha teaching, your life free of suffering. If you want to improve their mental condition, change their food. So first, please remove poison. If you cannot remove totally, decrease the amount of poison. This is very good example. Come and at the very perfect time. Many people will say this is paper cup, right? Then you are not scientific enough. Then if you say this is paper cup, you are not scientific enough. How can paper hold liquid? Paper mixed with plastic. And do you want your chai cold? Hot, no? Garam. What happened when plastic made hot heat? They make one-time use paper cup with high quality plastic. Marana, marana, marana. Death. This is what cause your children cannot learn. This is what cause your mind stuck when you try to work with your work project. This is what cause divorce to happen. One of my guru learned a lot about human brain. Many husband and wife, when they want to get divorced, they come to my guru and they cancel the divorce. Know what my guru give them? Not marriage advice, not counseling, not psychotherapy. Brain supplement, omega-3, and the kind of supplement that can detox the brain. Why microplastic can cause divorce? Very simple. Microplastic cause hormone imbalance. Understand? Microplastic behave like estrogen, like female hormone. So the mood swing become very great. So for the housewives, before you angry with your husband, please ask yourself, is my husband behavior that make me angry or microplastic? Need to understand, I'm not joking with you. But the insanity in nowadays condition is already too great. So truth become hilarious. You can do your own research, use Google. So I don't teach like kindergarten teacher, I teach like professor. No. I give you topic, you do your research and tell me. Now, so in Europe, they already do the research, okay? They see many cases, small children, 4 years old, 5 years old, have suicidal thought. They want to suicide. And they found out what is the cause. Food coloring agent. And they find out, even in detail, red coloring agent cause specific behavior, yellow coloring agent different behavior, blue coloring agent different kind of crazy behavior. So it's not that your husband trying to go against you. It's not that your children don't respect you. They are deeply poisoned. The good news is when you remove the physical poison, the bad behavior also remove. I already teach more than 20,000 people. Many of my students are Grahasta, but they attend Samadhi. If you have a little bit knowledge about Samadhi, you know how difficult to attend Samadhi. But I guarantee you, not difficult. Samadhi, not difficult. To become clever, not difficult. Be rich, not difficult.
Yeah.
What difficult is avidya, stupidity. So when you are stupid, everything difficult. That's why please, from now on, if you see your husband, your children act out, tell yourself they are poison, they are poison.
Okay.
Why I talk as if protecting the husband and the children from the mother? Not because I'm patriarchist. There is two reasons. What is scarier than mother anger? That's why I need to explain in the way to protect husband and children from their mother rage. And the second, my guru teach me, if you want to destroy a country, destroy the mother. Without good wife, without good mother, the man cannot work properly outside. That's why mother need to learn about this knowledge. Now, so the first, please do your own research more about the danger of poison. But then you can say, but Banteji, now microplastic is everywhere, so what to do? No worry, Lord Buddha teach Chatuarya Satya. Dukkha, Samudaya, Nirodha, Marga. Suffering, the cause, the end, and the way. So I already tell you the suffering, the dukkha. I already tell you the cause of suffering. The cause of suffering in this case is too much poison in the body. The good news is our body have very good system to remove poison. But one thing, if the body don't get enough nutrition, it cannot do its job. Just like Mercedes with cooking oil. So you need to feed your body proper nutrition. What nutrition? No worry, no need to buy any supplement. Both of us come from rich family. We are not here to scam you. Now, so about nutrition, in short, there is 5. Please memorize this. Mans, Matsri, Anda, Khir, Dahi. Nah, Mans, Matsri, Anda, Khir, Dahi. Mans, Matsri, Anda, Khir, Dahi. This is not from me. Mary Shiksha, Mary Nahi hai. My teaching is not my teaching. This from Tripitaka, from Lord Buddha. If you want to improve your life fast, improve your ahar, improve your nutrition. When your nutrition good, your body work properly. And human body is the most sophisticated machine in the entire universe. So even if you just improve your ahar, you not yet learn Dhamma, your body start to work properly. Now, so if you pay attention to the ahar, your life will improve in all aspects. Please remember, these 5 food only can be eaten at dawn time to noon time, when the sun is rising up. When the sun start to going down, and night time, afternoon and night time become poison. These 5 food, morning, noon become medicine, afternoon, night become poison. But Banteji, in summer, if we eat meat, the body will become hot, right? No. Our body have very clever temperature regulating capacity. It only happen, the body become hot when you eat these 5 at afternoon and night time. So if you want to manage your menu, morning and noon time, don't eat too much rice. Focus in these 5. Afternoon and night, then chawal, sabji, fruit. But Banteji, I cannot eat meat, no problem, dahi. Dhamma is for everyone. Whatever your problem, Dhamma have solution. Actually, as forest monk, we have a lot of knowledge to survive in forest. As simple as possible, as cheap as possible, as effective as possible. Around half years ago, we stay in Sri Lanka forest. My teeth have big cavity because I don't want to remove my wisdom tooth. Then we go for X-ray in the city. The hole is very big. Then I just use coconut oil, clove, lawang, and then meditation. 26 days, go to the city for X-ray again, perfect. I already sent him the picture. This kind of knowledge, we have a lot of it. It will make your life much easier. So, actually, I really wish India become superpower country. You have all the potential, not difficult. Like what I say, what difficult is only stupidity. My guru teach me, if you want to strengthen the king's throne, fill the people's stomach. If the people's stomach are empty, the king's throne start to shake. Throne, asan. Not okay. Sihasan. Huh? Nah, so, how to make India country become superpower country? No need nuclear. No need fight and war. Chawal dahi. I'm not joking with you. Sabe satta ahara titika. All being supported by food. Because you don't learn about your ancestor knowledge. So you Indian become confused. And you think you are weak nation. After 150 guru, it led me to stay in India. But why? Indian people mesmerized by America and Europe because the British brainwashing successful. India get colonialized by British. Indonesia, my country, also get colonialized by Westerner. But American not colonialize our country. Now, so in order to destroy that country power, teach them that their ancestor is stupid. Teach them that their grandmother, grandfather know nothing about life. Teach them that their ancestor is barbarian. We are their savior, and we bring civilization. So, Indian people, if you want India become superpower country, it's not difficult. You only need to wake up. You are a sleeping giant. My guru say India is like a gunpowder warehouse. You only need a little spark. Who know this 2 little forest monk is little match. I need to understand we are monk, we cannot do marketing. So we need grahasta, upasaka, upasika to bring the gyan to transform India. So how to make India powerful? The way is perfectly same with how to make your family powerful. I really need to emphasize a lot about Dahi. Dahi can solve all your worldly problem. Health problem, learning problem, financial problem, many problems. So, chawal, Dahi chawal. Why? Chawal, rice or chapati, okay, that one carbohydrate. Dahi is protein, healthy fat, vitamin, mineral. But you need to eat a lot of dahi, not only little bit. For example, usually if we eat dahi, each of us 1 kilo dahi, half kilo chawal, 1 kilo dahi, half kilo chawal. Now, of course, I don't tell you tomorrow eat 1 kilo dahi. No, thora, dire, haru. Can guarantee you, if you start eating a lot of dahi, but remember, morning and noon, afternoon, night time become poison. You eat 7 days, your mood swing from this become this. And you feel the tension, the stress, the depression, anxiety all fall down. So, don't trust my word. Usually I say Buddha, Dharma, no need belief. Can prove. Buddha follower, bhikkhu, bhikkhuni, upasaka, upasika is not anda bhak. Anda bhakta nahi hai. No need belief. Proof. So we already talked about the poison, about the microplastic. Now, so need to understand, dahi contain very complete nutrition for the body and brain. But not only that, dahi can remove poison from your body. Any kind of metabolism poison, and then microplastic and heavy metal. There is one very poisonous toxin in plastic we call as BPA. BPA is extremely harmful for the brain. And BPA present almost in all plastic. Now, so Chinese scientists, also Iran scientists in 2019 to 2020. 2019 and 2020, they do research. In short, they found the lactobacillus, the good bacteria in dahi, can reduce the BPA concentration even on the can, not in the human body, even in the can. Before go inside human body, it can reduce around 90%. So if you eat dahi, it can remove microplastic from your brain. The good bacteria in dahi can eat the microplastic, can eat the heavy metal and bring it out from our body. So maybe you expect today, I will give you very special Dhamma. Because when talking about Dhamma, people talk about meditation, about wisdom. But I give you very basic Dhamma. Ekang nama king. What is that one thing? What is that one thing? Please answer me in one word. Sadhu. Ahar. Okay. Okay. So, in order to improve your personality development and career, please consume bahut dahi. Bahut dahi khana. Some people say, I don't like dahi. So I tell them, When you see dahi, you need to tell yourself, I don't like dahi, but my brain like dahi, so I eat for my brain. So like this, I can give you more detail, but we need more time because the time is limited. So allow me to finish. That's why I say need 7 hours. But no worry, okay? Now I need
अभी आप
to.
टेंशन मत लीजिए, 7 घंटे नहीं लेंगे.
I say I want to give you 2 simple solutions to change your life, right? Musawada Veramani. I cannot tell lies, so I
बंदे
just
जी का
give you
शील है
one.
ये.
I just give you one solution. I need to give the second one. The first one is ahar, dahi. And then the second is meditation. But don't run away. I guarantee you, not difficult. Very easy. So easy that you don't believe it's called as meditation. But you need to understand, by using this meditation alone, so many people already remove cancer perfectly from. I can give you a lot of story, but time not allow. Musawada Veramani Sikapadang Samadhi. Please allow me to teach you the very simple meditation. This meditation can improve your brain capacity in very quick. It can heal so many diseases from your body. Because this meditation will trigger the brain to produce huge amount of happy hormone. Endorphin, serotonin, oxytocin, dopamine. Now, so how to practice this meditation? Only 3 rules. Please follow me. Akeban, Muban, Jiv Taluper. Now, put your tongue on talu. For example, this is your teeth. This is talu. This is your tongue. The tongue touch talu. Finish. The tongue in normal position, just touch the talu. The tongue, no need to roll, no need to push. Just touch a little bit, okay. Keep your eyes closed, mouth closed. Touch your tongue on the top of the mouth. Tell yourself, nothing special, nothing special. No need to control the body. No need to control the feeling. No need to control anything. This meditation, we only control the tongue. As long as the tongue is touching the talu, the meditation is good, the meditation is perfect. Even if the mind is chaotic, no problem. Because in this meditation, we don't control the mind, we only control the tongue. If you feel sleepy, no problem. Even if you fall asleep, no problem. Because lazy sleep and meditation sleep is different. Lazy sleep, 8 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours. After wake up, your body still feels tired. But in meditation, you sleep only 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But when you wake up, you feel very fresh. If you feel your body uncomfortable, you can stretch, you can massage slowly. If your leg painful, you can massage, you can move a little bit. Most important is keep your eyes closed, mouth closed, and tongue on talu. No matter what happened to your body, good or bad, let it be. As long as your tongue is touching the talu, the meditation is good, the meditation is perfect. No matter what happened to your mind, good or bad, let it be. As long as your tongue is touching the talu, the meditation is good, the meditation is perfect. No matter what happened to your feeling, your memory, good or bad, don't fight, let it be. As long as the tongue is touching the talu, the meditation is good, the meditation is perfect. No matter what happened to the environment, to the world, good or bad, let it be. As long as your tongue is touching the talu, the meditation is good, the meditation is perfect. Touching sensation between the tongue and the top of the mouth. Slowly, slowly allow everything to disappear. Slowly, slowly, allow the body to disappear. Slowly, slowly, allow the mind to disappear. Slowly, slowly, allow the feeling, the memory to disappear. Slowly, slowly, allow the world, the universe to disappear. Slowly, slowly, allow everything, everything to disappear. Only touching sensation, only touching sensation between the tongue and the top of the mouth. Dire, dire, dhanyawad, dhanyawad, dhanyawad. Dire, dire, akhe kolo. How you feel? So need to understand this meditation, akheban, muban, jiv, taluper. No need to calm your mind. Only control your tongue position. When your tongue touch the talu, it sends signal to the brain to produce happy hormone. Happy hormone will cause the brain to grow. And stress hormone will cause the brain to shrink. And then how long you need to practice this meditation? Every 10 second, 10 second. Not 10 minutes, 10 second. At least 10 second. Why? Because when your tongue touch the talu for 10 seconds, it's enough for the brain to start producing happy hormone. And the happy hormone will spread entire body. And the happy hormone will remove from the body slowly, slowly. If you practice this meditation only 10 seconds one day, you can get the benefit 7 days and more. Please practice more. Currently we stay in Sujat Nagar Vihar. Usually we do the meditation every day. Apeksha, please come up. Okay, sorry because the time is over. Maybe other time. But if you have question, you can ask this Apeksha in Hindi.
Yeah.
She can explain you many story about this meditation. Okay, because of time, we will close with Ashirwad. Jayando bodhiya mule sakya nagna divandano evam eva jayo du jayan sujaya mangale aparajita balange sise buddhu vibhunkale abhiseke sambabundanang gambando pamodati Bhavatu samba mangalang rangkandu samba devada samba bunda samba dhamma samba sangha nubhavena sada sandhi bhavandu de suvanti hodu Sotapati sakadagami anagami arahata sadhu